I'm here today with my trusty escapator at Fishing Creek Preserve in Drewmore Township, Lancaster County. The preserve is along Fishing Creek, and alongside Fishing Creek is Fishing Creek Road, which is unpaved and crosses the creek 3 times between here and the other end of it at Susquehannock Drive. There is a hiking trail here that starts right about where that sign is across the road. Starting off the trail from the road, it's pretty steep. We're just a few yards in off the road, and already we got downed trees across the trail. This is one of the places where you can't be 100% sure if the trail goes that way or does it go that way. But if you look up on the tree straight ahead, you'll see the blue paint, so you know it goes that way. Sometimes I see horses up here on this trail. Most of the time I just see signs that they've been here. Here's another place where this seems almost like an actual workout. That one wasn't so bad. This one I could probably walk down that way and go around, but I'm gonna step over. Keep my joints flexible and lubricated. We're approaching the other end of the hiking trail. Pretty good descent back down to the road. And I've got to say, I didn't have near as much trouble staying with the trail this time as I did the last several times. I can only assume that somebody came through here and cleared the worst of the places where there were trees down, blocking it. You can probably see Fishing Creek Road up there ahead of us. I'm not sure how far down the road it is from where I parked at. And even though this is the end of the hiking trail, I am not done for today. I'm not just gonna walk back to my car. I'm gonna walk on out Fishing Creek Road, and I'll show you the 1 or 2 of the places where the road actually crosses the creek. So don't go away. If you're going down Fishing Creek Road from Furnace Road towards Susquehannock Drive, this is the first of the 3 crossings. Where you either walk or drive right through the creek to get to the other side. This is the second of the 3 crossings. I don't know if any of these crossings have names. I just always call them the first one, the second one, and the third one. You can see a pretty good amount of water flowing over the road and down into the lower part of the creek. The next little clip was taken in this same spot and about from this same angle a few months ago. And rainstorms in the meantime have completely changed the look of this part of the creek. Where there used to be waterfalls to the left of that rock, there are none anymore, and the main flow of the creek goes on the other side of that rock where it used to flow on this side. Here's a look at the creek from up by the road. You can tell how clear the water is from up here, but let's take a closer look. I'm guessing the water here is probably about 2.5 or 3 feet deep. And in case you were wondering, there really are fishies in Fishing Creek. How about that? If you're still watching, thanks for sticking with it. If you liked what you saw, a thumb up would be appreciated. Comments, of course, are always welcome. If you know somebody you think might like this, please share it with them. And if you want to see more videos on a variety of different topics, subscribe to my channel. And remember, catch me again next time. You know, outside.